Good morning, everyone, and happy Tuesday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're giving you everything you need to know before the market opens. I am here Monday through Friday with videos out before the opening bell. So if you aren't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you can stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Also, just a reminder to make sure you check out the TipRanks mobile app on your Apple or Android device so you can stay up to date with all of the latest analyst ratings and market news right on your phone. I'll make sure to have the links to download in the description below. Today, we're taking a look at exciting stock market news, our biggest gainers and losers, as well as notable earnings reports. So here we go, starting off with stock market news. U.S. stock futures are down slightly this morning, with Dow futures down about 0.04%, S&P 500 down 0.07%, and NASDAQ futures down 0.09%. Ride-sharing company Uber Technologies has posted their highest monthly gross bookings in March. The company's mobility business crossed the $30 billion annualized gross bookings run rate and had its best month since March of last year. Uber's mobility business recorded average daily gross bookings that were up 9% on a month-over-month basis. Uber's food delivery business, Uber Eats, crossed the $52 billion gross bookings run rate in March on an annualized basis, rising more than 150% year over year. The Uber Technology stock does come in as a strong buy based on 32 analyst ratings. Their average price target would be about a 23% upside potential. BYND Meat is expanding their product distribution to across Europe and several European retail locations by this spring. According to the company, the plant-based foods market in Europe has seen sales growth of 49% over the past 2 years. BYND Meat products will be available in 445 Sainsbury's and Waitrose retail stores, while in Germany and Austria, they'll expand their product offerings to 1,000 and 1,500 retail stores respectively. In March this year, the company's products became available for the first time in the Netherlands at nearly 1,000 different stores. Analysts are a bit more mixed on the BYND Meat stock as it comes in as a hold based on 3 buys, 8 holds, and 4 sells, with an upside potential of about 7.5%. Consulting and digital services provider ICF International was awarded 2 contracts worth about $16 million from the U.S. Labor Department. These contracts are to provide IT and cybersecurity workforce development services under the H-1B One Workforce Grant Program. That program makes investments in preparing the current and future workforce for careers in industries like IT, advanced manufacturing, and transportation. ICF's senior vice president said that the One Workforce program will significantly enhance the skills and knowledge of the workforce in the critical and high-growth IT and cybersecurity sectors. Their stock currently comes in as a strong buy with an upside potential just over 14%. Monitoring and analytics platform provider DataDog has closed their acquisition of Screen. Screen is a software-as-a-service-based security platform that helps clients detect, block, and respond to application-level attacks. The acquisition enhances DataDog's current APM functionality and brings it closer to offering customers a robust and full-stack monitoring solution. Furthermore, on March 31st, DataDog announced that it became the first company to launch Windows Server monitoring of live traffic. This functionality allows companies to monitor their entire network across different operating systems, providing them with complete visibility. The DataDog stock does come in as a moderate buy with 7 buys and 7 holds, but a nice upside potential of nearly 30%. And Synopsys Incorporated has agreed to acquire More Than IP. They provide Ethernet digital controller IP, which supports data rates of 10 to 800 gigs. The acquisition of More Than IP enables them to build on their leading Ethernet IP portfolio and provide a complete solution that addresses the performance and latency requirements of cloud computing designs, while allowing customers to comprehensively meet their needs for high-quality IP solutions from a single trusted supplier. Synopsys expects the transaction to close this May. Their stock currently comes in as a strong buy based on 9 different analyst ratings, and their average price target would mean an upside potential of over 23%. Now let's take a look at this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Starting off with our biggest gainer so far, which is Dragon Victory International. Trading under the ticker LYL, they're currently up 38% in the pre-market. Followed by Mackinac Financial Corp under MFNC, currently up 34%. And, excuse my pronunciation here, Tian Rusheng Holdings under TIRX, currently up over 26% in the pre-market. But this was following a loss of nearly 80% yesterday. Now looking at this morning's biggest losers, we have Avenue Therapeutics under the ticker ATXI, who are currently down 17%. Fortress Biotech under FBIO, who are currently down 13%. And Organigram Holdings under OGI, currently down just over 12%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. Yesterday, we heard from Canadian cannabis company Aphria, who did not meet analyst expectations. The company posted a wider than expected loss and lower revenue than forecasted in the third quarter. Aphria reported an adjusted loss per share of 15 cents Canadian, which was larger than the analyst expectations for a per share loss of 5 cents. Their revenue in the third quarter did rise 6.4% year over year to 153.6 million Canadian dollars, but did miss analyst estimates of 161.3 million. Analysts still see some upside potential for the Aphria stock, though. It comes in as a moderate buy with 3 buy ratings and 4 holds. The average upside potential is 40%, with several of those price targets being reiterated just yesterday. The rest of today is pretty quiet for earnings, but the rest of the week starts to pick up with a lot of banks having their earnings report. Tomorrow morning, we're starting off with JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, and Goldman Sachs, so stay tuned for that. So that is Tuesday's pre-market morning update, giving you everything you need to know before the opening bell. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to check out the TipRanks app on either your Apple or Android phone so you can stay up to date with all of the latest analyst ratings and market news right on your device. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you back here next time.